Welcome to free Firestick Tips. Every month I'll be doing this video to show you 3 Firestick Tips that you can do on your Fire device, and anyone can do this, whether if you're a beginner or if you're a non-time user of the Amazon Fire device. But this series is specifically for beginners, so if you never used the Fire Stick before or you're unfamiliar with it, this series can be useful for you. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so tip number 1 I have for you guys is browsing the web on your Fire Stick. If you're new to the Amazon Fire TV Stick, you may not know you can do this, but it's actually very simple to do. All you need to do from the home screen is go to the magnifying glass, down to search, and in search we're just gonna type in silk, so that's S-I-L-K. Once silk browser appears, select it, and this is the one we want, guys, internet silk. So click on that, and then click on download or get if it's your first time downloading it. Okay, so once it says open, you can open up the app, and this is silk, guys. It's basically like the browser that you find on the computer. So as you can see, you have trending stuff on the news, and you can also customize it. But what we're here for is to search something. So let's search, let's say, John Wick, for example. Yeah, John Wick 4. And then we are now browsing the web on our Fire TV Stick. Pretty awesome, guys. And you can also use Alexa on this as well and say search for movies, and it will go ahead and search on the movies, folks, which is quite cool. So now is tip number 1, browsing the web on your Fire Stick. Right, so tip number 2 is restarting your device. Now, you may be asking, why do I need to restart my device? Well, sometimes your Fire TV Stick can run a little bit sluggish at times, and it might freeze or it might even crash on you. But restarting the Fire TV Stick can really make a massive difference. The way we restart the Amazon Fire TV Stick is we press the play pause button and the select button at the same time. It's easier if you press the play pause button a second before you hit the select button, and it's just rebooting. There we go, folks. So now it's tip number 2, restarting your Fire Stick. Right, so tip number 3, nosing on the background app applications. If you're running a Fire device, especially a Fire TV stick, apps freeze and crash on you are not, folks. But if you do this tip, you won't experience app crashing as much as you do. To do this, you need to install an app called Background Apps and Processes. The way we install that is from our home screen. We go over to the magnifying glass, down to search. In search, we're gonna type Background Apps and Processes list. It's this up here, so select it and download it. And open it once it's installed. You can click on Got It. And these are the apps running in the background, folks. So the way we close our applications is if we go up to the top, so there, and you'll see this close all apps. Click close all apps, and then it will take you through and you can force stop them. Push back, force stop, push back, force stop, push back, force stop, push back, force stop. That one doesn't have force stop for some reason. And we've closed all our apps on our Fire TV device. So that was the first edition of 3 Firestick Tips. As I said at the start of the episode, I am gonna do these every month. So do hit that subscribe button and leave a like and leave a little comment as well. Until then, have a great day and I'll catch you in the next one.